Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off using this wooden tag from Walmart and these amazing rub-on transfers from Timeless Designs. I will put a link in the comments for how you can get these designs. So the first thing that I'm going to do is paint the middle of the tag white, and then I'm going to take my antique wax and stain around the edges of the tag with that. Once I have that all finished and it's all dry, I'm going to give it a nice sand. And I just used a sanding block I got at Dollar Tree. Once it's all sanded, I am going to take my applicator for the wax, and I'm going to use some antique wax around the white on the edges. And I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe off any excess that I have that I don't want on there. Once that is all dry, I'm going to take this transfer, and I'm going to use this sunflower one that's in a pitcher. And I'm just going to cut that out. And then I'm also going to cut out the little bee that's next to it, because I thought that he should be on there as well. Now I'm going to lay this on the center of my tag. So I'm going to peel off the backing, and then I'm just going to lay it on the center where I want it. And then these come with this stick that you can use. It's just a wooden stick to rub on your transfer. So you're just going to press down and rub as hard as you can. I mean, it doesn't have to be super hard, but you want to make sure that it's adhering. And you're going to go all the way around. You want to make sure that you focus on any spots that are really little. Then I just took an X-Acto knife to kind of pop up the edge of the plastic that's on top and slowly start peeling it up so that I can see where I still need to rub. So as I can see, I can still need to rub over here. So I'm just going to rub and slowly peel up at the same time, making sure that I get the whole design down. And you want to do this slow and steady. Don't rush it, or you'll peel off parts of your transfer. And I noticed that the hardest parts are anything that has little small parts, like the petals. And when we do the bee, you can tell like the wings and the little feet. And then you're just going to slowly pull up as you're doing it. And once you have it all on, you peel the whole thing up. And look how pretty that is. These look like they're painted on there. Next, I'm going to add that little bee right next to the sunflower at the top. And I'm going to rub that on also. And again, you want to peel up really slow and make sure that it's sticking. And there it is, all on. And how cute is that? Next, I'm going to take some more of my brown wax and go around the pitcher and around the sunflowers. And I kind of went a little bit over the top of it. I wanted it to match the rest of the tag. And how cute is this? Next, I took some twine and I ran it through and kind of pulled it through and then tied a knot at the top. And I wasn't really happy with the thickness of this twine, so I do end up changing it to a thinner twine, but I used the same method to make the hanger. So I just kind of pulled it through, and then I tied it in a knot and made sure that it was nice and tight, and then cut off the excess. And like I said, this rope was really thick, and I just really didn't like the way that it sat on the tag. So I ended up changing it to a thinner one, and it's totally up to you what you want to use for a hanger. You could use ribbon, you could use twine, you could use wire. It's totally up to you. Once you decide on a hanger, I made this big messy bow, and I just used a bunch of different ribbons and some raffia that kind of all matched the sunflowers and the bee. And I'm just going to hot glue that to the top, kind of arrange it how you want it. I use like blacks and yellows and golds. And then I am going to take this little button and I'm going to add that to the center, and that is it. This project is done. I think this turned out so cute. I absolutely love these transfers, and I love anything with sunflowers on it. So this just is absolutely beautiful. Be sure to check out their Amazon store to get your own transfers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.